Hey family, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Frecia and welcome to the Dream Team family. Today we're back with another interesting video and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you've not subscribed yet, please do me a favor, subscribe. It is all for free, and also remember, sharing is caring. Kindly share the video to the world, share to your family and friends, and I would really do appreciate. So today we are back with another interesting video. As you can read from the title, today I'm about to take you to one of the places that is in downtown. The place behind me is where we shall go. Inside that place, it's like a huge place, so I'm just gonna take you guys to where I can, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So last time, I guess, anyway, the videos that I've showed you guys, I have showed you like these luxurious places in Doha and these big places in Doha. So today let us go and see the other side of Doha, and it will be an interesting video. In this video I will show you guys where to do guys some shops that you can shop at cheap. If you need gifts to send back home, if you need gifts to take to your friends and family when you have visited Doha or Qatar, it will be an interesting video. So please stay tuned in, and remember, sharing is caring. If you are this far and you've not subscribed to the video, I don't know, please subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. And before you ask me why I'm going to these places, and it is Corona season, as I said in my previous video, I am taking care of myself. I am taking precautions. As you can see, I have a mask just in case I meet somebody or I pass through somebody. And we have our sanitizers and other precautions that we're taking in the state of Doha. And yeah, this is a safe place to be at this moment, and I am really safe. Thank you so much for those of you reach out to me and tell me that I should take care. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I am really taking care of myself. Okay, so let us move to the place.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
So this is where I have just introduced the video at, and we are going inside the place that you can see. Like, it is also like a visible place where you can see Doha, and then this is the downtown part of it. This place is called Souk. I know it as Souk Filipino. I don't know why it is called that, but it is next to Souk Waqif, which Souk Waqif is there, and now we are going to the other side of the road, which is the downtown side. So this place has shops, very many shops that you can shop at cheap. It has like in the last video we went to Souk Waqif, and Souk Waqif has like souvenir things and things to do with Arabic culture and Qatari culture. But this one here, where we are going at right now, it has everything included, not like cultural things. No, not only that, even those are included, but it has like different kind of things that you can buy at cheap. You see those markets that you go to in your country, if you come from a place that I come from, this place that you can go and get something like at cheap. It's a good quality item, it's a good quality cloth, and also you can find it in the mall in branded shops, but it is also as good quality as the one in the branded shop. So this is the place. I will show you guys different shops and different items you can get, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let us go. So as we go inside, this is a place where you can get every kind of person, like all the nationalities here. I honestly don't know why it is called, or it is known as Souk Filipino. I don't know if there are many Filipinos or something. I don't know. So this is the place where you can get cheaper things, as I told you. Not like bad quality items, but cheap, good quality stuff. And just so you may know, as I know you guys know about it, I cannot exhaust the whole of this place. I'm just at the back side of it right now. I want to go to the front side and get to enjoy some few places in here. So as we have started, you can see shops with this is a jewelry shop and a perfume shop. And one thing you may know is that one thing you will notice in this video is that these people are so friendly. You'll find that everybody is calling up on you to go and check the items that they're having, to go and check everything that they're selling, and it is really a nice place. So there is one place that I want to go to and get some stuff, and when I get to this place, I don't think I will be able to talk to you guys, so that is why I'll have to take you. It's almost it's getting late. It is almost, what time is it again? It is almost 6 p.m. and so I have to take you guys. The first place I want us to go in and explore is the City Souk. So City Souk is a very big building. When you go there, you'll see the kind of items that you can get, and so let us get in and see what they have there. So I'm in the entrance of the City Souk, and as you can see, there will be somebody checking my temperature. I didn't get to capture that so well, but there will be somebody checking my temperature and also the application that you're moving around with. So here I will be starting to go to this guy here that owns that has a shop of perfumes and colognes. I love going to that place because he's just a good guy. And then the other shops, as you can see from side to side, have different things. They have clothes, they have shoes, they have bags, they have jewelries, they have materials, they have everything you could be looking for. You can find it here. So let's continue watching and continue seeing what they have before we move on to the next place.
Every time we say
Gabbana.
goodbye, they all see that it's
Hello.
a lie.
Hi. Hello.
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
It's open, please be open, thank you. So, okay, so you guys, it is already late at night. I did not even have time to show you guys many different shops, but so there are 3 places that I'll take you guys. One is a place where you can get the best shawarma in this place, and second place is where you can get very nice outfits here in Qatar, here in this souk. And the third place is where you can get like house decor, you can get like very good stuff. So let us start with the first shop, which is I know most of you know it, which is let us pause a little bit, and as you can move, you see there is another souk Dira, the one that you saw, and then this Al Ranak place. So we'll start off with this shop. Okay, it's like a very huge shop that has very many things in wholesale, and see what they got. So we got in, and as the first thing they are doing is to check your temperature and check if you are well precautioned. And so yeah, so here we will get very many different items, as I have said. This is a girl section which has jewelries, necklaces, bangles, earrings, and chains, and everything that you will want to buy for a girl. As you can see,
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So we are done with that shop, and the next place we are going to is where we have the best deal ever. So we are having this shawarma here. This is the best place for me.
and more spices. Yeah. Yeah, long time. Corona happened, you know. You need also? Okay, say hi. Advertise your restaurant. Bye bye restaurant. Very nice shawarma. The best shawarma in Souk. More. Yeah, chicken more. Okay, so we are done with the shawarma. That was the place. Goodbye. Bye bye food court. Have been there before. And so now we are going to the last place and the last plug where you can get good stuff, tea for ladies and gents. And also there is like good prices for it. Hello. And yeah, all those are shops for wholesales, electronics, clothes, and all that. So this one, it has guys that understand different languages, and so let us go in. Hello.
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hey guys, so it is officially 7 p.m. and the lighting is not so good. The lighting is not so good. I look white anyway. So I made it to go to different places as I have taken you guys through, but I did not go to as many places as I had planned. This place is so huge. It's so big. I guess I came late. That is number one. It got late so quick, and I came late, and also the places I went to, they were very like. They had many people. I did not make to vlog nicely, so I believe there will be a part 2 of this, and so yeah, let me see you guys to the part 2 of this. Until next time, always remember being positive and having good intentions. God bless you. Bye bye.